Today, I'm going to show you how to do hard surface modeling in Blender. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Blender tips. First, add a cylinder. Then go to the bottom left panel and set Cap Fill Type to nothing. Next, rotate the cylinder 90 degrees on the Y-axis. Now go into Edit mode, enable Wireframe, switch to Side View and delete the vertices as shown. After that, turn off Wireframe. Add an edge loop in the middle by pressing Ctrl+R. Then select the faces and delete them. Next, go to Snap, select Vertex, and enable the magnet icon. Now press E to extrude the edge. Move it and snap it to the desired point, filling the shape one by one like this. Then disable the snap magnet. Next, select the side edges and press F to create a face. Repeat this for the remaining open edges to close the geometry. After that, add more edge loops using Ctrl+R to make the geometry smoother, like this. On the bottom side, join these two vertices and clean up the topology by dissolving any unnecessary edges. Slightly move the vertices to improve the edge flow. Now delete two faces and add two more loop cuts. Add another loop cut with Ctrl+R, then press E to extrude and align it properly. Select two vertices and press F to connect them one by one. Then select the edges and press F again to fill the faces. Finally, for a smoother result, press Ctrl+3 to subdivide the mesh and get a polished finish. And that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Blender tips. Thanks for watching.